Welcome once again to Maths and Physics class online, where we teach physics and maths in depth for your understanding. We are here this time to look at other questions. We are still working examples for you to get better understanding of this topic, indices. But our next class, we promise we are going to be starting indical equations, where you are going to be using indices and solving equations involving the indices. But today, let us look at another example here. Here we have 15m squared, 15m raised to the power 2, n raised to the power 3 divided by 3, m raised to the power 4, n raised to the power minus 1. So if you look at the equation, you find out that it is an indical expression. So let us resolve them. So I can represent this again by writing 15m squared, or 15 raised to the power 2, n raised to the power 3 all over 3 m raised to the power 4, n raised to the power minus 1. But I will not do that, because if you already have an idea of the law of indices that has to do with multiplication, product law, this will not request or require that. So let us go direct and try to solve these questions. Now look at, you know that this expression, this part, is the numerator of this expression and this is the denominator. So in that case, I can just bring the numbers together. Now look at it. 15 divided by 3. The ordinary numbers. I will write them here. 15 divided by 3. Now look at this. M raised to the power 2 divided by m raised to the power 4. What am I supposed to do with two of them? Because m raised to the power 2 is divided by m raised to the power 4. In division law, we said minus their powers. It will now become 2 minus 4. Then look at the n. N here, we'll pick one, n. So this is the numerator, we'll write the power. This is the denominator. It will now be minus the power of the denominator. It will now become minus the power of the denominator. What is the power of the denominator? Minus 1. So get the logic. This is the main minus because they are dividing. But the power of the denominator is already having 1. So minus 1, so it will become minus 1. So I'm going to bring this one down to show you how these two minus, two negative, will change to positive. So what do we have here? We have 15 divided by 3, we have 5. M, 2 minus 4 is minus 2. 2 minus 4 is what? Minus 2. Then n will be 3 minus 1. That is 3 plus 1, because the 2 negative will change to plus. So what do we have? We have 5 m minus 2 n 4. So you can leave your answer like this, or if you want to express it further, you know that we said that when an unknown or an alphabet or a number is raised to the power of negative power, what does it mean? It means we are going to look for the reciprocal of it. Meaning, I can express this one in another form by saying 5 n raised to the power 4. Because this is minus, it will now go to the denominator part 2. Because we said it is the reciprocal of m. Because it is negative, so it will become reciprocal of m. Reciprocal of m is 1 over m raised to the power 2. So that is why you see that the m raised to the power 2 is going down. Let me make that one simple for you to understand. What I'm saying is this. I will write this one again as saying 5 m raised to the power minus 2 is what? 1 all over m raised to the power 2. We have discussed this when we were treating negative power or negative indices. So 5 m raised to the power minus 2 becomes 1 all over m raised to the power 2. Then we have n raised to the power 4. If we multiply out 5 times 1 will give us 5. 5 times n raised to the power 4 will give us 5n raised to the power 4 all over n raised to the power 2. So that is the expression we're having under here. But I just wrote this one for you to know what has happened here before we make this one all over or divided by m raised to the power 2. What we just did here is this. We have this expression divided by this. We pick the ordinary numbers out, collecting like terms now. We're going to collect like terms. We pick 1, 2, minus 4. Division law. Because of this division law says you minus this from this. Now another division law, you pick 1. This is going to be 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1. So 15 divided by 3 is 5. 2 minus 4 is minus 2, not 2. It is 4 minus 2 that is 2, but if it is 2 minus 4 becomes minus 2. Minus 2. 3 minus 1 becomes 3 plus 1. That's what we have here. Then 5 raised to the power minus 2. Raised to the power 3 plus 1, 4. Because it is negative here, is raised to a negative power. It becomes reciprocal of it. That is 1 all over. That is what we have here. 5 times 1 all over raised to the power 2 times raised to the power 4. 5 times 1, 5 times raised to the power 4. We have 5 raised to the power 4 all over square is the denominator of that whole expression. That is how we ended that. Thank you for watching. Follow our page, subscribe to our YouTube channel on Maths and Physics class, like and comment. Share this video and every other videos that we are posting. Share them so that others will benefit as well. If you know that this benefits you, share these videos please for others to benefit, so that we will be also encouraged to continue to do more, and we'll post more videos back to back for your learning. Thank you very much.